Today, we celebrate and finals milestone in school year 2023-2024. The honor villagers are reaching the post of their labor. The ribbon is a manifestation of the respect and talented. Let us then commemorate their excellence and success. On this Monday, of July 2025, at the local school, they can attend. Today, they will provide the effort. Let us observe the following house rules. First, we request everyone to stay with us from start to finish. Second, we also encourage everyone to stay seated during the formal observance of each part of the program. Last, silent audio speeches are very much appreciated. Thank you for being with us. And now, let us attend to the delight of the first master of ceremony, Lilian Paris Paris